Let's see how to change one page of your Microsoft Word document into a different orientation, such as landscape, in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document that is currently in portrait form. Now, for example, we want to set this first page as the landscape page. So let's go ahead and highlight this page, or rather highlight all of the contents of that page and head on over to the Layout tab. Now click on Page Setup right here, this little icon. Now click on Landscape. Now click on Whole Document, and that will change the entirety of your document into landscape. Now, in order to return the other sections of your paper into portrait mode, simply highlight the same text, the other text. Now click on Portrait and click on Selected Text. And that should change the other pages of your document back into portrait, while the first page remains in landscape, such as this one. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.